Hi, everyone. From California, I'm John,
My name is Emma, and I'm from Texas. Hello, everyone.
where you can direct the voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Because we are discussing placing an order at a fast food restaurant, we are quite hungry today.
Indeed, similar to when you visit a hamburger joint. Let's act as though we have just entered Superburger. All set?
All set. All right, let's get started.
Ding! Pretending to open door. The tiny bell. Already it smells amazing.
Inhales deeply. Oh, French fries. All right, let's examine the menu. Whoa, it's enormous.
There are so many options. What do you receive today?
The traditional cheeseburger, I believe. However, I want to turn it into a dinner. How about you?
I'm craving chicken nuggets, 10 pieces. Wait, maybe the spicy chicken sandwich. I'm continually changing my mind.
Same. All right, let's get some practice. I'll start. Turns to face the hypothetical cashier. Hello, please let me place an order.
Hello? Greetings from Superburger. For you, what can I get?
Hello, sure, please give me a cheeseburger.
Excellent. Which size do you prefer? Small, medium, or large?
Please use medium. Can I have Coke with it too?
Of course. Is there anything else?
Well, yes. Is it possible to add more cheese?
Certainly. That's an additional 50 cents. Is that acceptable?
All right, I'm grateful.
Well done. I'd like and can I have seems so natural.
Thank you. It's your turn. Go place a wild order.
All right. Turns to face the hypothetical cashier. Hello. Please give me the hot chicken sandwich combo. Big size.
Big combo of spicy chicken. Have a drink?
Please, Sprite. Avoid the ice.
I understand. No ice. Which would you prefer, fries or onion rings?
Whoa, surprise me.
Unexpected? I'll give you curly fries, all right? Is there anything else?
Indeed. Is ranch sauce an option? And please, one chocolate milkshake.
Emma, whoa, what a large order. $14.80 is the total. To go or for here?
Please, for here. I usually place too many orders.
I agree, but it's all right. We're content and joyful.
All right, let's place another order as true friends.
Well thought out. They both look at the cashier. John, please give me a double cheeseburger.
I'll also have 6 chicken nuggets with a sauce that is both sweet and sour.
How about we both get medium fries?
Indeed, and 2 little Cokes.
Oh, and are ketchup packets available?
I really appreciate that. Smiles at the camera. You see, practicing with a companion makes it easy.
Precisely. Simply say, please, thank you, I'd like, and can I have? You're fine if you just smile a little.
Additionally, don't be afraid to ask questions. What does the meal come with? Or is it possible to make it without onions? Employees are consistently pleasant.
It's true, one of the first real-world settings where novices speak English.
When you receive your food and it's exactly what you asked for, you feel very proud.
Yes, that happy moment when they call your number.
So, everyone, try speaking English the next time you visit a burger joint. You can do it.
Enjoy your fries, start small, and smile.
Exactly. We believe in you.
I'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep craving English. Happy music returns. Both wave.